Hi. It's time to learn about who these are. Girl. Girls. Boy. Boys. Woman. Women. Man. Men. Person. People. Your turn. This is a girl. Girl. These are girls. Girls. This is a boy. Boy. These are boys. Boys. This is a woman. Woman. These are women. Women. This is a man. Man. These are men. Men. This is a person. Person. These are people. People. Let's review. What do we call this? Woman. What do we call these? Men. What do we call this? Boy. What do we call this? Girl. What do we call these? Boys. What do we call these? Girls. What do we call this? Man. What do we call these? People. What do we call these? Women. What do we call this? Person. Let's review. Where is the boy? Here. Where are the people? Here. Where is the man? Here. Where is the person? Here. Where is the woman? Here. Where are the boys? Here. Where is the girl? Here. Where are the women? Here. Where are the girls? Here. Where are the men? Here. Last review. Girl. Girls. Boy. Boys. Woman. Women. Man. Men. Person. People. Good job.
Bye.